Welcome back, researchers. At this time, you should have a total of 2 book sources, 3 magazine sources, 3 newspaper sources, and 2 website sources. If you don't, make sure that you have that combination and the total number of 10. This video's purpose is to show you how to turn your source cards into your work in bibliography. It is very, very simple. Now, let's go into your project. And of course, you should have your research questions spelled out specifically based on your approved topic. And then you should also be sharing your project with your teacher's Dropbox. And once you have that satisfied, you could go ahead and click on Works Cited. And as you can see, I have a total of 10 entries. My book sources, that's 1 right there. And then the second one is from an anthology, that's a book. And then I have my 3 magazine articles. This is 1, 2, and 3. And then my 3 newspaper articles, that's 1, 2, and 3. And then my 2 websites, I have 1 right here, and then 1 I just have as an online database website, so that counts as 2. So now that I have that settled, I'm ready to create my work in bibliography. So I'll click on Print, Export. I'll select Print, Export to Word. And the beauty of Noodle Tools is it does it for you, does all the work for you. So it will look like this, and you can see the formatting is correct. It also includes my annotations. Actually, mine are not real. I just give the directions as far as what you need to do, which is having a 2 to 3 sentence summary concerning your probing or research questions. So that should end your work, your citation here. And of course, we have hanging indents, so please don't mess with the formatting here. And then also it is in ABC order. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 sources. Now the only changes that I do want you to do is to change Works Cited to Working Bibliography. The reason you need to do this is because you have not cited these works yet. Get that corrected. You have not cited these. These are just potential sources that you're going to use in your paper. Another thing that I want you to add, since this is an assignment and not really the works cited page, go ahead and add your MLA heading. Actually, I'm going to use Jane Doe as the student's name, and then of course you'll type your respective teacher's name on the second line. The course is English 12-1, and then the period, let's just say that Jane Doe is in period 5, and the date that is due. For this year, the working bibliography is due on the 17th of September, 2013. And then of course you will save this either on your flash drive, your Dropbox, or your student under your student ID, and then you'll go into turn it in. So you'll go to turn it in, log into turn it in, and then go into your respective class period. Let's say that it's period 5. My interface does not look like yours, but you'll click on the particular assignment, which is working bibliography. Then you'll click on submit and then follow the prompts for that. Remember, you're not finished with submitting until you get the message that you have successfully submitted your work. All right, Red Devils, that's it for now. Our next step is to create note cards based on the sources that have been gathered. Happy researching!